When it comes to maintaining the highest standard of cleanliness, especially in critical environments, product performance is paramount. At Berkshire, we understand the intricacies of your controlled environment and the crucial role our cleaning products play in the success of your business. That's why we created a new line of SatPax IPA presaturated wipers. They are engineered clean and feature 2 unique substrates with 3 different levels of alcohol at a highly competitive price. Our SatPax 1000 series features a harmonized, non-woven blend of 55% cellulose and 45% polyester, with 3 different options of USP-grade alcohol. Our SatPax 1000 wipers ensure durability and excellent wet strength and are designed for more demanding industrial applications. Using a presaturated wiper decreases your alcohol usage, reduces VOC emissions, and provides a consistent application of alcohol to the surface. No more inconsistent cleaning results from wetting a dry wiper with a spray bottle. And for those demanding the ultimate cleanliness, our SatPax Pollux non-woven substrate features 100% polyester spun lace, designed to provide an unparalleled streak-free cleaning experience. With critically low fiber, particle generation, and minimal non-volatile residues, SatPax Pollux non-woven ensures your cleaning protocol remains consistent. Our innovative recyclable canister is not just eco-friendly, it boasts a new spring-loaded cap, tamper-evident seal, and is designed for easy access. Ready to refill? Just twist the cap and easily add our refill roll. Ensure smooth dispensing every time. Just remember to thread from the center, pull at a 45-degree angle, and apply slight pressure on the spring lid. Berkshire's dedication doesn't end at superior products. We customize to meet specific requirements and have a team of technical account managers ready to assist. SatPax IPA Pre-Saturated Wipers by Berkshire. Elevate your cleaning standards. To learn more, contact our experts today.